All right guys, time to make another video. This video I'm going to show you guys how to replace oven. This is an oven repair with Whirlpool. We're going to show you how to replace the control board. Right here, there is the model number right there. All right, so I already got it off the wall. What I'm going to do is take out the back panel. There's a bunch of screws on each side. I'm going to take it out real fast. All right, I got the back panel. That's the control board there. All the wire you see there, don't get scared. So also the switches are bad. The outside switch is bad. Oh, that one's good. That one is bad. That one's an infinity switch. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with the switch. See all the wiring there. All right, so that's the bad switch there. I'm gonna replace it with the new one, and the inside is burned. The new one, I have it here. I'm gonna show you guys in a second. That's the part number for that one, for the switch. That's the new one unpackaged. So all right, that's the old one there. That's the new one. Simple, it's like a plug and play. It's not too bad. So right now, if you take the one out, swap it. There's two screws that hold the switch in place. That's it. It's one on each side. So that's the new one. All right. So that's the older one there. Pretty much, you take out the little plastic cover. There's two screws there. You remove it. That's it, pretty much. All right, so it's time to do the control board. Control board has 4 cables, 4 plugs on it, so you can't mismatch them. You just undo it. You can always take a picture if you forget about it, or you can go back and watch this video. So you just pretty much unplug it, and the 2 screws. So I'm gonna take it out. So that's the new one. That's the old one. I didn't see nothing burned, but that's the part number right there. Right there, that's the old one. You pretty much you take out the other one, put another one in. So I already got it in. So let's see, that's the old one there. I didn't see nothing burn. All right, so pretty much we're gonna plug it in. You can't miss. It's 4 plugs, 3 plugs, so it's 4 and 3, and they go in only one specific way, so you can't really mess it up at all. See, right there, one little plug. Push that in, and you grab the last plug. Right there, that one has the big one. That's the one that supplies power into the burner. Perfect, no problem at all there. Look at that, it's working beautiful. Well, not working, but it's back in place. So I am going to go ahead and plug it in, put the cover back on, push it into the wall. Okay, right there, I'm showing you guys that I got power now. So you gotta do is set up the clock, and that's it. That's pretty much it for the control board. So let's do a little bit of testing, make sure the switches are working. One switch. The switches, I ordered the switches because the burners were staying on, so it was burning the food. So the customer was complaining about the food was overcooked. So I ordered the switches. Yeah, see, so the way they work, they come up and they are supposed to shut off. And they come up and you're supposed to shut off, so that way it doesn't burn the food. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the bake element, make sure it works. I was trying to set up the time, but I'd rather do just let's test the baking. Yeah, so let's do the baking at 350. It normally starts at 100 and it works the way up all the way to like 350, whatever. If you set it up for 400, it'll set up for 400. So again, let me go ahead and now that I have it back in the wall, let me go ahead and test the switches. Make sure that all the burners are working. Make sure everything's working properly. Yeah, see, they're coming up beautiful. The cooked up is really nice. It's made by Whirlpool. I think this unit is probably about 2 years old, not that old. So they might have got a surge, but besides that, I mean, everything works beautiful. The machine is really nice. The customer takes care of the oven. The oven was very clean. I didn't have to wear no special gloves, nothing. So it was nice. So see, it's coming up. It's a good sign. So hey guys, if you like this video, don't forget to follow up for more videos. Don't forget to follow me for or send me any messages if you like. All right, I need the support. Come on guys, help out the channel. That's the part number there. That's the part number right there for the other one for the switches. All right, that's another one there. Thank you guys.